Hey crochet lovers, welcome to AB's Art. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you this cute, beautiful keychain with some curls of white and orange color and bellflowers of white and orange color. This is a very cute gift if you want to give someone. So let's go ahead and see how to make this beautiful keychain. Okay, for our another curl, as I've made first one with the white color, another one I've taken 4-ply cotton yarn in orange color and a hook size of 1.75. Let's start. This would be very quick and very easy. I am starting with the base chain of 16. You can take even 20 or 30. If your thread is thin, you can take more chains. If your thread is thick, so you can take less chains. Here my thread is a little bit on a thicker side, so I'm going to take 16 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. And now from second chain, on second chain from the hook, I'm going to make 5 half double crochet. 1 2 3 4 5. And likewise in each chain stitch we'll make 5 half double crochet. 1 2 3 4 5. Do not forget to miss any of the chain stitch. 1 2 3 4 5. So keep repeating till the end and I'll see you here. So I'm done with my last stitch, 5 half double crochet, and in the same stitch I'll make a slip stitch like this. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to curl it like this, curly way like this. I'm going to twist it like this. So here is our curl. And now what I have to attach is to the keychain. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this. I have not cutted this yarn, so what I'm doing is I'm inserting it inside this hole, and I'll drag this yarn and pull it here like this. One more time I'll do it like this from the other side, anywhere from the center like this. I'm going to make a chain of 1 2 3 4 5 6. I'll make 6 chains up and I'll attach it to this keychain where I've already attached one bell of orange color. I'll show you how to make this bell and how to attach it. Similar way I have to attach it like this. I'll push this there and I'll keep my ring like this on the opposite side, and I'll pull up yarn from inside and I'll make a single crochet like this. Again, I'll put it inside like this. I'll pull up yarn and I'll make a single crochet like this. One more time I'll do this. Pull up yarn like this and make a single crochet like this. And now I'm done. I'll make a one chain up and I'll cut my yarn. I'm gonna sew this here. I'll hide the tail and after sewing the after hiding the tail, I've attached this white one as well, which I've already made. And now I'm going to show you how to crochet this bellflower and attach it in the same way. For this, I have taken 4-ply yarn with a crochet hook size of 1.75 again, because I wanted to make both flower and the spiral curly crochet curl with the same yarn, same type of yarn and same crochet hook. For this, I'm going to make a magic ring. I hope you all know how to make a magic ring. Chain up. Now I'll make 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 single crochet. I'm gonna pull this yarn tight and I'll make one slip stitch on first single crochet. I'll take one chain up and make 2 single crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2. In this round we'll make 2 single crochet in each stitch, total 12. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. I'm going to do slip stitch on the first single crochet which we have taken, this. Now I'll make 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet. In this round we will follow the pattern 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet. So 1 single crochet, 2, 3 together, 4 single crochet, 5 and 6 together, 7 single crochet, 8 and 9 together, 10 single crochet, 11 and 12 together, 13 single crochet, 14 and 15 together, 16 single crochet, 17 and 18 together. I'm going to slip stitch on the first single crochet here. Now in this round, in the next round, we'll make single crochet in each single crochet in each stitch. So I've already made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Likewise, I'll complete 18 single crochet and I'll make one more round of 18 single crochet and I'll see you then. I'm done with 2 rounds of single crochet, 18 single crochets. Now I have to reduce this to 12 single crochet. So I'm going to make the pattern would be 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet. The other one will be 2 together. So here's, I'll take 1 chain up, a single crochet in the same stitch. I'll make one next single crochet, taking 2 together. So 2, then 3. 4 would be together, then 5. 6 would be together, then 7. 8 would be together, then 9. 10 would be together, then 11, and then 12 would be together, like this. And I'm going to make a slip stitch on the first single crochet. So here it has already taken a bell-like shape, and now we'll make the bell edging. It would be, the pattern would be here in the same stitch we will make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. I'll make 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet. I'll skip the next stitch and in the next stitch I'll make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet. I'll skip the next one again, this one, and I'll make it here. 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet. Likewise, you have to follow the pattern and we'll make 6 petals here. I'll see you here. Okay, I'm done with my last petal, and now on the first single crochet which we have taken for the first petal, I'm going to slip stitch here this way, and my bell is ready. Now how I'm going to attach it to the keychain. Okay, I'm going to pull up a little bit of yarn and I'll hide the tail. Okay, my flower bell is ready, and now I am going to make a slip knot here, and I'll take the center part here from, as you can see, in the first round we have made 6 single crochets, so any one side of the 6 single crochet like this to the other side you have to insert your hook like this and pull up a yarn from this loop like this and make a chain stitch, or you can say single crochet. And now you have to make chains 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, I'm gonna sew this I'm gonna hide this tail afterwards, so like this your bell will look like this, and now you will attach it to the keychain with your other stuffs. So I'm gonna attach it same way. I'll insert my hook inside, I'll drag yarn, I'll pull up yarn, and I'll make a single crochet. I'll insert my hook, pull up a yarn and make a single crochet. I'll insert my hook, pull up a yarn and make single crochet twice, and I'm going to make a chain stitch, and I'll cut the yarn. I'll hide the tails. So finally my keychain is ready. I hope you have liked this tutorial and you also try the same. It is very easy and it will definitely going to be a fun making this. You can as well gift this to your friend. Happy crocheting, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe my videos. I'll see you in the next one.